Glad to be here. My name is Prakash, and I head the United Technologies CSR chapter for Hyderabad. And we are working on multiple CSR related projects. And one of the projects that we just launched today is called Project Vidya. This is primarily for related to the SOS village, and we are launching this project for the SOS village in Hyderabad, where we are going to be taking the educational leads for 120 children here. And along with Hyderabad city, we are also launching the same Project Vidya in 8 other cities in India, including Bangalore, Calcutta, Faridabad, Delhi, etc. Totally, United Technologies is going to be sponsoring for 800 children through the SOS villages as part of the Project Vidya. And along with this, specifically the Hyderabad chapter, if you were to ask me, we are also involved with a lot of other CSR related activities. One is the Project Krushi, one is United Rights, one is the Youth for Jobs, one is the blood donation camps, etc. etc. So it's all part of giving back to the society. That is the true intent in which we have actually come. So far, as far the Project Vidya is actually concerned, what we would be doing is we will be providing the educational needs for these 120 children in Hyderabad, and primarily educational needs from a school fees, transportation, stationery, dress, whatever that needs it. As a result, we are educating the children, but more importantly, making them stand on their own feet. So we will be actually sponsoring this project Vidya for the next 3 years, and then on an ongoing basis we will continue to evaluate how it is doing, etc. No, CSR activities, we had been doing multiple things as I mentioned, but Project Vidya, tying up with SOS Village, this is the first time that we are doing, and this is a humble and a great beginning. Very nice. Thank you.